Okay, Google, make sound like a pig.
Here's what a pig sounds like.
Hello there, and welcome to the virtual drive. Well, I've got the Google Home Mini with me today, and of course, it's a good device. But what we should be talking today is it absolutely useful if you're buying one in India? Well, the Google Home Mini is a very small personal assistant. You can use it at your home for various purposes. The device itself is very small. It has got a fabric at the top with four LEDs at the top, which give you a cue about what the Google Home Mini is trying to say. Well, the speaker quality is very good. They call it the 360-degree speaker, but there is no technically any evidence that it is a different kind of speaker, but I can assure you that the effect is brilliant. Well, I've had a JBL speaker, which is very expensive than the Google Mini, but still the voice quality is in par with other Supreme and Premier speaker brands. As far as the hardware is again concerned, you get two buttons with the Google Home Mini. One is the hard reset button, and the other one is this mute button. Of course, it's a confusing button, but still they have given a hard reset and a mute button. The charger is again not USB-C, it's the normal USB-B that we have been using, but the length of the charger cable that they have given is very long. It is very helpful, especially if you want to put it aside your bed or on a table. It's very long. The disadvantage, however, is that the device only works when you have plugged it into the charger. If you remove the charger, the device is going to turn off, so you cannot use it as a speaker. It does not have an aux input, so the only purpose of the device is to be acting as a personal assistant. Well, that is a bummer, but still you can justify it with the price at which Google gives it to you. Okay, Google, play me a song, Bryan Adams, Summer of '69.
Summer of '69 by Bryan Adams, shown. Playing on Ghana.
Okay, Google, bring volume to 90%.
First real six string, bought it at the five and dime. Played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69.
Okay, Google, bring volume to 40%. Okay, Google, stop the music. Okay, Google, should I take an umbrella tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.?
No, it won't rain in Chennai tomorrow at 6 am. The forecast is 30 and mostly cloudy.
Okay, Google, what's the world's fastest car?
Bugatti Veyron Supersport according to some information that I found on the website Quora.com. To read more, look for the link in your Google Home app.
Okay, Google, can I watch Kala tomorrow?
Tomorrow, the next few showings of Kala at Vetri Theatres are at 8 am, 11:30 am and 2:55 pm. It's also showing at PVR Grand Galata Chennai and Ganesh Cinemas 4K Dolby Atmos.
Okay, Google, book me a cab to North Chennai.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Okay, Google, what time should I wake up tomorrow morning?
It looks like you haven't set any alarms.
Okay, Google, set an alarm to 6 a.m.
Done, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 6 am.
Okay, Google, when did Neil Armstrong step foot on the moon?
July 20th, 1969. On the website history.com, they say, on July 20th, 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped off the Lunar Landing Module Eagle and became the first human to walk on the surface of the moon.
Okay, Google, tell me the recipe to make chicken biryani.
Okay, I've got a recipe called chicken biryani homemade. How to make chicken biryani from Times Food.
Okay.
This recipe serves 5 and takes about 1 hour to
Okay,
make.
Google,
Does
tell me the recipe to make pasta.
Okay, I've got a recipe called pasta with simple tomato sauce from Taste. This recipe serves 4 and takes about 23 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
Yes, Google.
Great, let's get started. Would you like to prepare the ingredients or skip to the instructions?
Skip to the instructions.
There's 12 steps, I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say next step. First step, heat the oil in a large frying pan over medium heat.
Okay, Google, tell me today's news.
Here's the latest news. From Times of India top stories at 6:21 p.m. today.
Okay, Google, what's the next step?
Second step, add the onion and cook uncovered, stirring often for 3 minutes or until it softens slightly.
Okay, Google, is it useful to buy a Google Home Mini in India?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
Okay, Google.
Hello, this is Times of.
Stop. So, as Google says, I really do not know if to buy a Google Home Mini in India. If you do not mind spending about 4K, then you can absolutely go for it. It doesn't do any harm. On the other hand, the Google Home Mini is only useful if you have a whole lot of accessories. Say Philips Hue, where you can automatically turn on and off the lights of your home. So accessories like this will add value to the Google Home, whereas merely talking to that Google Mini will get bored almost a week or so, and you will never use it as long as you don't have the right accessories. So plan wisely before you buy a Google Home Mini. Make sure you have all the accessories that it supports so as to have it as a value added.
Okay, Google, subscribe to Virtual Drive.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Guys, do subscribe if you like the video.